Today, we're adding that awesome TV on effect, perfect for retro intros, dramatic entrances, or glitchy transitions. Let's dive in. Start by adding your video clip in the timeline, tap on Effects, then go to Video Effects, use the search bar and type TV on. Once you find it, tap to apply. Now let's fine tune it. Tap on the effect and you'll see a few sliders. Intensity controls how strong or dramatic the glitch looks. Speed changes how fast the TV turns on, slower for suspense or quicker for a snappy vibe. And chromatic aberration adds that colorful, distorted glitch effect around the edges, just like an old CRT screen. You can drag the effect on the timeline to make it show exactly when you want the glitch opening to happen. And there you go, you've just added a TV on effect in CapCut Mobile with full control over the look and feel. If you like this quick tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile editing tips.